Hey y'all, Bobby with the Fan Man here on this cold winter morning, cold winter afternoon. This is a 2012 Living Solutions branded 9-inch personal box fan. I got this from a neighbor next door to me. A couple years back, she was moving out, didn't want the fan, so she gave it to me along with a folding tray. Um, this is a really nice fan. Works pretty good. Um, It's the motor's a little dry, bearing's a little dry, but I can't get the blades off, so yeah, it's gonna have to stay like that. This I used to have a um blue 9-inch personal box fan under the Massey name that looked almost exactly like this, and actually looked exactly like this, only in blue, dark blue. And the wires came out of the switch, so I ended up having to toss it. But I bought that brand new at Walmart. I had that way before I even started collecting fans. Way before I even started, uh, making videos on fans. So without further ado, here's low. That person took off awful fast for an apartment complex. It actually works pretty well for what it is. Here's medium. And high. These 9-inch personal box fans with this style these are pretty aerodynamically well. Like, these were actually very aerodynamically correct. Like, these actually move some really good air. The Wexford ones, they had Wexford ones that looked just like this in the mid 2000s. Those were really good. I've seen these 9-inch personal box fans under tons of different brands: Aries, Breezin, Breezeway, all of them. I have three in total. This one, a Duracraft, and a Sarasota Breeze one as well, which I made a video of on Christmas. WLF spells off. And I'm gonna show the tag on the back too. I can't talk today for the life of me. But here it is. It's very dusty too, actually. I don't know why. I did clean it when I first got it. It was really, really, really bad cake with dust. Here's the tag, if you can see it right. Living Solutions, model MBF-910. Says 120 volts, AC, 60 hertz, 0.5 amps, and 35 watts. Says caution: do not immerse in water or liquid. Read all instructions before use. Yada yada. Household use only. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. I don't think anyone's that stupid to immerse this in water. I would really hope not. And date is February 2012, so that would lead me to believe it was sold in the summer of 2012. That's probably when it was purchased too. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Nostalgic Bobby. Have a great day. And God bless y'all. Bye-bye.